From The Fall Guy to Hancock, the influence of 80 films on modern superhero movies.
The 1980s were a golden era for action films, setting the stage for the modern superhero genre. While The Fall Guy was actually a television series, not a film, it still contributes significantly to this discussion due to its cultural impact. On the other hand, Hancock, though released in 2008, bridges the gap between traditional superhero stories and more complex, nuanced narratives. This piece will explore how the themes, characters, and storytelling techniques of 80s action films and series have shaped today's superhero films. The Fall Guy, 1981 से 1986. Key themes and elements. 1. Stunt work and realism. The Fall Guy focused on a Hollywood stuntman who moonlighted as a bounty hunter. The show's emphasis on practical stunts and physical action laid a foundation for the realistic portrayal of superhero action sequences seen in movies like the Dark Knight trilogy. 2. Everyman hero. The protagonist, called Severs, was an ordinary man with extraordinary skills. This concept has been mirrored in modern superhero films, where characters like Spider-Man and Ant-Man are depicted as relatable individuals who rise to greatness. 3. Blending professions. The idea of blending an ordinary job with extraordinary heroics is evident in characters like Peter Parker, a photographer, and Clark Kent, a journalist. Influence on modern superhero films. The gritty, down-to-earth action sequences in films like Captain America, The Winter Soldier echo the realistic stunt work from The Fall Guy. The concept of the everyman hero is central to the Marvel Cinematic Universe, MCU, making superheroes more relatable and grounded. Hancock, 2008. Key themes and elements. 1. Flawed hero. Hancock features a protagonist who is far from perfect, an alcoholic with a bad attitude. This portrayal of a superhero with deep flaws paved the way for more complex characterizations in modern superhero films. 2. Redemption arc. The movie follows Hancock's journey from a hated figure to a redeemed hero, highlighting themes of redemption and self-improvement common in many modern superhero narratives. 3. Deconstruction of the superhero genre. Hancock deconstructs traditional superhero tropes by presenting a hero who is initially apathetic and irresponsible. This approach has influenced films like Deadpool and TV shows like The Boys, which offer a more cynical take on the superhero genre. Influence on modern superhero films. The flawed, humanized heroes in films like Iron Man and Logan owe a debt to Hancock's character development. The redemption arc is a recurring theme in the MCU, seen in characters like Tony Stark and Thor. The deconstructionist approach of Hancock is mirrored in the darker, more nuanced storytelling of films like Joker and series like Watchmen. Bridging the gap.